Hey everyone, and welcome back. If you're trading crypto in Canada, chances are you've used Newton. It was my starting point, and I loved the zero commission trading and free Interac e-transfers. But as I started trading more, I had to ask, are there better options out there? That's what this video is about, my hands-on experience with the best alternatives to Newton Finance in Canada. No fluff, just the facts I've gathered. Let's get right into it. 1. The breakdown, why look beyond Newton? From my perspective, Newton is fantastic for beginners, but the main reason I started looking around was the spread. While they advertise no fees, their fee is baked into the spread, the difference between the buy and sell price, which can be anywhere from 1% to 1.6% on trades. For small trades, it's fine, but as your volume grows, that spread really adds up. So, I focused my search on 3 things. Lower effective trading costs. More advanced trading tools. Better overall crypto selection. 2. Alternative number 1, Wealthsimple Crypto for the beginner/casual investor. My first stop was Wealthsimple Crypto. If you're someone who already uses Wealthsimple for stocks or ETFs, this is a no-brainer for simplicity. My experience, the app is ridiculously easy to use. It integrates perfectly with your other Wealthsimple accounts. For a casual buy-and-hold investor, the convenience is unbeatable. Key comparison to Newton. Fees. They also use a spread model, generally between 1.5% and 2%. So, it's actually a bit higher than Newton's typical spread. Verdict. I use Wealthsimple mainly for the convenience of keeping my crypto right next to my stock portfolio. It's great if you value simplicity and integration over the absolute lowest cost. 3. Alternative number 2, ShakePay for the free withdrawals and BTC rewards. Next up is ShakePay. This platform quickly became one of my favorites, specifically for their unique features. My experience, ShakePay is incredibly simple, but their biggest draw is their fees and rewards. They cover all crypto network withdrawal fees, which is a massive plus if you often move your crypto to a hardware wallet. Key comparison to Newton. Coin selection. This is the big drawback. They only offer Bitcoin and Ethereum. Newton has over 70. Fees, again, a spread, but their standout feature is free crypto withdrawals. This alone can save you a significant amount, especially when network fees are high. Plus, the famous ShakePay card gives you BTC rewards on every purchase, which is an easy win. Verdict. I use ShakePay as my main on-ramp from CAD to crypto because the free withdrawal to my ledger saves me money every time. I just wish they had more coins. 4. Alternative number 3, NDAX for the lower fees and advanced trading. If you're an active trader looking for the lowest fees and more tools, my top recommendation from a cost-saving standpoint is NDAX, National Digital Asset Exchange. My experience, this is where the fee structure really changes. NDAX uses a traditional maker/taker fee model, which is much more transparent and generally lower. Key comparison to Newton. Fees. They charge a flat 0.2% trading fee to both buy and sell. Compared to Newton's 1 to 1.6% spread, this is a huge difference, especially on larger trades. Trading tools. NDAX offers a proper exchange interface with limit and market orders, which is a necessary step up from Newton's simple buy-sell function. Verdict. I moved the majority of my serious trading activity to NDAX. The fees are low, the execution is clean, and the platform feels more professional for someone who trades frequently. 5. Final recommendations. Summary table. Platform best for typical fees-free CAD funding/withdrawal, advanced trading, Newton beginners, and ease of use 1-1.6% spread yes, e-transfer. No Wealthsimple existing WS users and simplicity 1.5-2.0% spread yes, e-transfer. No ShakePay BTC/ETH only and free withdrawal variable spread yes. E-transfer, no NDAX active traders and lowest costs 0.20% flat fee yes, e-transfer, yes. If you're moving past a pure beginner phase and want to save money or get more features, I strongly recommend taking a look at NDAX for the low fees and ShakePay for the free crypto withdrawals and rewards. That's my direct and honest experience with the top alternatives to Newton in the Canadian crypto space. I hope this comparison helps you save some money and find the platform that best fits your trading style. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.